Okay, guys, always remember, always to stay happy and rise up. See you next time. Bye.